Hello everyone. In the previous tutorial, we have seen the slicing, that how to get a substring from a Python's string. In this tutorial, I discuss about some string operations in which I'll discuss about the update and delete the string, how to find the length of the string, concatenation, repetition of the strings, iteration through the strings, and membership operator. So first of all, let's understand that how to update and delete the string. So suppose if I create a new object of a string and that contains a value like Tanya Lari. In the previous tutorial, I have taken the same input, so that's why I'm taking the same input here. Now, suppose you want to update. The first point is to update the value. So as we know that the strings are immutable objects. So if you try to do so, then you will get error. I have already discussed this one. Similarly, if you want to delete this, then it is also not possible because you cannot update the value. But one thing you can do with the string is you can delete the whole string. Okay, so you can do the deletion, but not only one, character by character. But if you want to delete the whole string, then you can do that. So for that, we use a del. This is the command that you will use to delete. First of all, you will write del, and after that, your string's object name, and it will delete your string. So let me show you. If I write before operation, the value of the name, and simple after operation. And here, if I execute this, then you can see here that the before operation is Daniel Lari, but after operation, if we try to get the name value, then it raises an error that says the name is not defined. Okay, so means we can delete the string, but we cannot update the encapsulated values into the string. Second one is how to get the length of the string. So to get the length of the string, we know that n is equal in build function, that is len we can use, and here you can pass the object, and here if I print the value that length of a string, then you can get the value of length into n length. Okay, so look at the output. To get the length, we use the len function. Okay, and the next is concatenation. Concatenation means to add to a string. So suppose you have variables like first name, okay, that is Daniel, and here I have another string that is second name that contains a value that is Larry. I want to concat both the string, then I can do by using plus operator. So concatenation can be done by using plus operator, and after that it will generate a new string. So you have to store into a new object. Okay, we know that the strings are immutable, so we can store into another variable that is full name, and here I can write after concatenation the value of full name. Okay, so full name is Daniel Lari. So as you can see, there is no space available. Yes, because there is no space in your string. So if I write the string as this, then you can see the output as it will concat with the using plus. In fact, one thing you can do also that if you want to concat and if you want to put some special character between them, then you can write like this. This is the empty string. So I press one space, and here you can see that Daniel Lari again. Okay, so this is the way that you can concat the strings. Strings repetition, another thing that I want to show, that is string repetition. Suppose I have Daniel, that this string, and I want to repeat this string 5 times. So for that I can use let me show you the multiplication operator. Okay, so that how many times you want to repeat your given string, you will write here. So I want to repeat it 5 times. and after that I can print it as the value of second name. Okay, let me show you. This is, so as you can see, the Daniel will be repeat 5 times. So this is the repetition operator that you can do, that you can use in your application. Next is iteration through the string. Iteration means if you want to extract the characters one by one, then you can do by using for loop. So we know that for I in, and we can write the object name, that is first name. So every character will be fetched one by one till your collection is not exhausted. We have already learned in the for loop. So if I print the value of I, then you can see here that every character will be fetched one by one. You can do this by another way, by using the range function also. So I can do this by using range, and here I can pass the length of my string. So my string's length is this, and to get the value we can access through, we know that we can access through the indexes also. So first of all, I'll pass the index of I. So as we know that the length of this string is 7, so the range will generate the values from 0 to 6, and every time it will pass the values to the I. So first of all, it will pass 0, so it will fetch first name, and here will be 0. So it will fetch the 0th index value, that is D. After that, I will become 1, then it will fetch the first index value, that is A. So look at here the output. So as you can see, there is no change. Okay. Next is a membership operator. So this one is very important. Suppose if you want to check that the particular substring is available in a given string or not. So this is actually for a use for checking the substring is available in a string or not. So suppose the substring I'm taking from the user is Larry. I want to check that this substring is available in my string or not. So I can do this. Um, just look at here, it will return true or false. So first I'll show you by using the print statement. So substring that holds the value in my first name. So it will check that the substring is available or not. So yes, it is available. So you can see that it will return true. So if you want to perform in your coding that you want to check, and if you want to perform some operation on that basis, then you can use this one. Okay. So for that we can use in operator. This is called the membership operator. We have learned already in the membership in the operators session. You can pass direct substring also. You don't need to store into the variable. So you can see here that yes, it is true. Okay, if I pass only L, that is capital, so it will find that the substring is available. Yes, L is available. LX is available. So you can see here that the LX is not part of my string. It's not a substring of this string. So this is called the membership operator. So you can do this by using not in. So if LX is not available in first name, then it will return true, otherwise false. So you can see here, yes, LX is not available in my string. So to check whether the given substring is available in a string or not, we can use the membership operator. And for that, we can use, this, we can write our conditional statements also. For example, if I write, if Larry is in first name, okay, then print hello, okay, and uh, hello everyone. So it will first check that the Larry is available or not. If this condition gets true, then it will print, otherwise it will not print. So yes, Larry is available, Larry 1. If I do this, then you can see here that no, this condition gets false. So by using this operator, you can use the checking the substring is a part of the given string or not. So that's all for the string operation this session. I'll discuss more operation, more function in the next tutorial. So thank you for watching this video. Please comment your views, and share the video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.